Hello, I'm John James. I'm the Chief Executive of the Sickle Cell Society UK. We are a patient advocacy organisation that supports people who live with sickle cell and their families across the country. I'm very pleased to be here today to talk about a new gene therapy treatment called Casgevy. And I'm also pleased to say that we worked with the MHRA about this new treatment. So, for example, there are over 18,000 people living with sickle cell in this country, and for a rare condition that's big. Casgevy has the potential to make a significant improvement to the quality of life of people who live with sickle cell. And it's important to say that the impact on quality of life pervades all aspects, from relationships to work, for younger children, school, university, any form of further education. And the impact of this new treatment is that that improvement of quality of life can mean people can work longer, potentially live a very fulfilling and active life, which can only be good for the UK economy. The MHRA are clearly an organisation that talks about involving patients, and here is a real example of them doing so for a rare condition. So we all know that the MHRA have the best science and the best real-world data to inform the decisions, but it's equally important, and particularly for a decision such as a new gene therapy treatment for sickle, that patients were part of that conversation. And there were a number of our members of different ages, of different gender, who took part in that conversation with the MHRA to inform the decision they made. So real-world patient feedback alongside the science and the real-world data to come to the decision that they made. The patient's involvement in the approval process was about sharing their experience of living with sickle cell, and particularly the impact on their quality of life and the impact on wider family members. So what that process identified was what I would call a better understanding for the MHRA about what it means to live with this condition. It's really important to have patient involvement in these processes because for sickle cell there has long been an underinvestment and underserving of this condition, and it's fair to say that people living with sickle cell and their families have felt ignored. And it's really important that patients are able to say and explain what it means to live with this condition, but equally what it means to have choices of effective treatment options. And of course, Casgevy is a potential new innovative treatment option amongst those that exist.